Hi, this is Paolo with A-Event Support. In this video, I will show you how to unsubscribe your registrants or delete leads from your A-Event account. There are two ways to do this. First, access the lead section. To the right of each lead, under Actions, you'll see a delete icon. Click on that icon to delete the lead subscription. Another way is by accessing the unsubscribe link. Here it is. The format is https://tenantid.aevent.online/unsubscribe registrant. Tenant ID is your tenant ID. You can get this information from account settings, or you can ask support, and we'll provide you with this information. In my case, Paolo is my tenant ID, so this is the link I accessed. This is how the unsubscribe link looks like. You have to enter the email address you want to unsubscribe, then click on unsubscribe. Those are the two ways of unsubscribing registrants or leads from your A-Event account. That would be all for this video. As always, please reach out to support if you have any questions. If you like this video, please comment below. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to get notified when we add more videos. Thank you for watching.